Okay, so we are now at section 8, how to land your first client. So congratulations, you already know the essential tools and the skills, and now we're gonna go to landing our first client. Getting your first freelance client may feel challenging, but with the right strategy, you can start getting job offers faster than you think. So here's a clear plan to help you land your first client. So focus on getting your first dollar first. So not your first $1,000, but first dollar, $1. Set up a plan. First is to search for jobs on onlinejobs.ph and LinkedIn. You can also check Facebook groups for freelancers because many business owners post jobs in niche specific groups. Another one is apply for jobs based on your skills and interests. Apply even if you don't meet 100% of the requirements. Clients often hire based on attitude and willingness to learn. Next is optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract clients. You can engage with posts related to your industry, and commenting and sharing insights makes you more visible to potential clients. And also, monitor your applications using a Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. And I will give you a format on how to do that. Okay, so send connection requests to potential clients. Following up increases your chance of getting hired. So if you don't hear back in 3 to 5 days, send a polite follow up message. So it's very important that you monitor your applications and not just send and wait. So you need to monitor and follow up. Send connection requests to potential clients. Okay, so you can do this on LinkedIn. You can send a connection request. And then once connected, you can engage with their posts before offering your services. So you need to build trust first. So your chances of getting hired will increase. So consistency is key. Landing your first client won't happen overnight. But if you apply consistently, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and connect with potential clients, you get there. So your goal is to apply daily online, engage online, and follow up. So before you know it, your first client will say you're hired.